Alright, so we take this. Alright, now there's a way, supposedly, we can get out of this without letting go.
Okay.
Alright, so we gotta get free.
Like to where our towels aren't together anymore?
Where we can just walk away from each other.
Oh.
Alright.
Do you know how to do it?
No. I just saw somebody.
Okay.
Alright, let's just start. Alright, do this. Do
What? Go under me.
do this.
See, but I'm still here.
Hold on. Now you go.
Maybe you. Yeah. Hold on.
Here. Oh yeah, here we go. What? Is that the same thing? What the heck? Here, let me step under. What? Alright.
Step over.
Now you step over. Okay. What? Oh, step through your own? Oh yeah, do that. Alright, now come up. Now let me step through.
Okay, you guys are making no sense.
Yeah.
Nope.
No, we're almost there.
Okay. Now what do I do?
What? Fuck you. Wait. Okay, ready. Let's go. Maybe if I turn around some sort. Let me do this. Oh. Nope, not that. Alright, so we're gonna reverse engineer this thing. So let's get back to how. So if I go like this. Oh, stuff like that. Give me, step me in. Alright, step over that line.
Kind of, but we're almost like double.
Can you go through that? Go through that. Step in.
Oh!
Okay, so let's go. Alright, so.
Do what you just did to twist it up.
Oh, put your hands wrong. Alright, so. And now.
What did I do? I was over here, right?
Okay.
Now what, Lynn?
Try to go through your hands, through your arms.
Oh, this way.
No, they got no barrel. I'm like imagining my brain.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, now I feel like make a hole here. Go through.
Yeah.
I feel like
Do this like
yeah, it's gonna work.
Should I do it this way?
Roar.
Yeah.
No, they're just no, it's not.
No, now this way.
This is very interesting.
Okay.
Cut that leg out. With the white.
Yeah.
Step your leg out of the like through there.
Oh.
Up and over me.
One foot touching the
Go up and over me. You gonna do this? Just like. This is stupid. Always end up the same way.
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm gonna go my right leg. You go your right leg. Okay.
No. That's what Dad did. No. Me.
I'm gonna go with my left leg.
Me. That's what they look like right now. See? Mom, look. See?
You go.
Oh, we saw it. Oh my goodness. I know how to do it.
You're so close.
Very close.
Whenever you guys are done.
Are you step through?
Both of them.
Yeah, both. No, girl, I meant both your feet through mine. All right, come through. All right, now nope, push yours down. I'm gonna go through yours. Pull it up. Well, step through. There's something about it. Wait. Oh, hold on. Step through that. Oh, dang, my arms. Can you do anything? Where's this?
Like over my head.
Step down through that.
Do this?
Wait,
Yeah.
no.
No, through yours. Just get out of yours.
No.
Why am I so pretzeled?
Okay, now you step over that one. Yeah. And then
Go over me. Over me. Oh. Over me. Can you rotate his arm this way? Okay. All right, now you.
oh, you can say that the whole time.
No, because whenever you guys get down to your feet,
No.
no.
Okay, so I'll scream. We did a couple trial and errors. I think we got it. Are you ready? So. Oh wait. No, I want to start this way. Okay, face forward. All right, now come beside me. All right, you step through right there. All right, now I go through. No. You gotta let me go through here. Remember? Okay. Let me go. Nope, nope. I gotta come through all the way. Your hand's gonna be guiding you. Alright. Here, turn a little bit. So, hold on. Kind of like that. Alright. See? Then. Like that! Right there!
What? What'd you guys
What? It only took us like 48 minutes. Maybe longer than that. How long
Like
it
an
take?
hour and a half, probably.
Yeah, I'll let me see how long it took. All right, so our first video started at an hour and 26 minutes ago. That's how long it took. So we'll fast forward all the other ones and get you to where we were just at. And I forgot I shaved like this, so don't be judging my Fu Manchu. Or judge it. Go ahead, throw it down in the comments. All right, Liv, good job,
Wait, no, we gotta do it good.
bruh.
Why are you doing it like this?
Bro.
You gotta do it like a cup. No, you gotta like cup it like.
My hand's bigger than yours though.
No.
Get into here.
Maya, let's do
All right.
Maya.
Yeah, let's do it one more time. Come on. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. You just do it.
That
good?
was kinda. That was
Where my hand?
like supposed to like.
Yeah, but my hand's so much bigger. All right.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. And if you enjoyed that, you also enjoyed the... We lied. We totally cheated because we looked at many videos forever, fast forwards and backwards and whatever. And if you can actually do it, what should they do?
Duet it.
I mean, what should they do?
Duet it.
Duet it. Remix this reel or do whatever you want to do and show us that you can do it and do it quicker. No cheating. Like we did.